Yes, welcome back to Jarau's channel. Today I'm going to show you another video of how to bridge a token from one chain to the same token on another chain. Chain here means blockchain. So maybe you have a token or maybe Ethereum and you want to change it to maybe to Binance Smart Chain, the same token. You can do it, or maybe from Polygon to Binance Smart Chain, or from Polygon to Arbitrum. Okay, any of the chains. So to do that, you click on this. I'm going to show you that. You click on this middle icon that is pointing in the different directions. You click on this. After that, you click on bridge token here. So bridge a token on a chain to the same token on another chain. You had that right. So you click on that. So you choose the wallet that you're going to use for bridging. I'm going to choose the Jarau wallet. The Jarau wallet. So here I'm going to bridge USDC from Polygon, USDC from Polygon. That's what I've chosen, but you can also choose any other token. That's what I'm going to use for this video, and I'm bridging it to USDC on Binance Smart Chain. On Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to bridge 1.5. So I'm going to convert 1.5 USDC on the Polygon chain to USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. So the fees, as you can see, the fees are here is 1.22. That's the fees. Obvious charges, no fees. So you click on review. After you click on review, you click on tap to proceed, tap to proceed, tap to proceed, and then we are proceeding. It will take roughly 3 minutes. So sign transaction, sign transaction. I use a fingerprint. Maybe if you use a password, you will use a password. So it's in progress. Remember, we are bridging from USDC on the Polygon network to USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. Transaction is in progress. So notify me when complete. So let me click on this, notify me when complete. So it's in progress, you can see, but after a short while it will be confirmed. After a short while it will be, so we shall come back when it has completed. And see, finally after like 3 minutes it was converted, it was bridged. So 1.5 USDC on the Polygon network was bridged to 1.499 USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you bridge a token on the obvious wallet. You can bridge any other tokens, but in this example I bridged USDC from Polygon network to USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.